This is one way. It says one way, you should go around. Stupid, absolutely stupid. You need to follow the rules, one way. You idiot.
Let's drop some lead on those motherfuckers.
He's a criminal, that's who he is. A vigilante, a public menace. What's he doing on my front page? We have a page one problem, shut up.